Hi, I'm Thomas Powers. I work at Barrett Automotive Group doing vehicle management and auto detailing. Today I'm here to tell you about the BendPak SP-7XL scissor lift. So this scissor lift with its 7,000 pound capacity and low profile can lift a huge array of cars. We've had big SUVs on this thing lifted off-roaders all the way down to small sports cars. So some of the best things about this lift, in addition to it looking super cool, especially when you put a car way up in the air, it goes up 6 feet. That means that most people can walk underneath the car comfortably. You have an open center with one of these things, so you can roll things like a cart or maybe an oil catch can under there, no problem. But as far as we use it here, tire rotations, tire changes, and detailing. This lift is a huge space saver, especially in comparison to maybe some two-post alternatives. When it's down, it lays completely flat with the floor. A scissor lift is highly beneficial because you don't have two posts potentially blocking access. So when it comes to a detailing perspective or just working in and out of cars, it's really helpful to have those posts out of the way. No door dings, and we get full access to both sides of the vehicle. Working under this lift does feel very safe. Everything about it feels really heavy. You can see the steel arms behind me and the giant hydraulic cylinders. This thing doesn't move in weird ways. It doesn't make odd noises. Once a car is up there and you use this thing properly, it's very safe. Overall, having a scissor lift around has been awesome. It looks great in here, and it's made working on cars, maintaining them in every way imaginable, a whole lot easier and more enjoyable.